Hello guys, this is from Tips. Today I show you how to change video speed in CapCut or mobile. Speed up and down, slow mode, and this tutorial, iOS or Android. Okay, open App Store and click on search and write CapCut. And open and click on update, install or open. Alright, click on CapCut, open CapCut. And click on close and new project and select videos. Hello guys. Click on add, scroll length and click on CapCut video and delete. Alright. And select video and click on speed and normal curve velocity effect. Alright. Click on normal and drag circle and 5x speed. Alright, click on done. And click on video and click on speed, normal and 1x and click on done. And press curve and custom and preset. Alright, click on custom. Hello guys. And drag circle, speed 10x, this slow, this speed and slow. Alright, click on done, click on custom and click on left corner reset. Hello guys. Click on done. Click on none, click on done and press velocity effect. This free flash. Alright, click on flash. Effect. Hello. Okay, click on pause, click on done. This is wrong. Done. Alright. And check. Hello guys, this is from Tips. Today I show you how to add the thanks button. Nice. And change resolution 4K, 2K and 8K resolution. Change frame rate and code rate. Alright. And click on export. And download YouTube Shorts, Reels and TikTok videos. Alright, that's all.